Today on Tech Kuya, we'll be featuring the newest line of upcoming phones and devices that Samsung will be launching very soon. Hi, this is your Tech Ate for today, Crystal. And before anything else, we would like to thank Samsung for letting us experience the upcoming phones and wearables in today's video. If you're into compact foldable phones, then the upcoming Samsung Z Flip4 is for you. It is one of the newest foldable phones in the market to date that comes in a stylish purple color. And if you're into K-drama or K-pop fanatic, then this phone is for you. Upon initial checking, I found out that the Samsung Z Flip4 is powered by UA version 4, Android 12, runs in a 3700 mAh battery, and has a 128GB of storage and 8GB of RAM. Meanwhile, if you want a smartphone that also doubles as a mobile tablet, then the upcoming Samsung Z Fold4 is for you. Its sleek black color and design is best for those who are in the business and corporate setting. It also comes with an S Pen that is helpful on writing notes on the upcoming Z Fold4. Checking on its settings, the upcoming Z Fold4 is powered by UI version 4, Android 12, runs in a 4400 mAh battery, and has a 256GB of storage and 12GB of RAM. Aside from the upcoming smartphones, Samsung will also be launching a new series of wearables, starting off with a smartwatch that comes in lavender. They'll also be launching a new series of earbuds that comes in lavender and in matte black. For more tech reviews and features, don't forget to like and follow Tech Kuya on social media. Again, this is Crystal, your Tech Ate for today, and see you on the next feature. Bye!